and welcome to Thermomixing with Donna. So this afternoon I am making some ghee. Ghee is super easy to make in your Thermomix. Ghee is really easy. It's guided cooking, so you can do it step by step, although there's only really about 3 steps to it, to be honest. So on your Thermomix, if we do a search for ghee, now for those that don't actually know what ghee is, because it is a question that I get asked when I talk about it at a demonstration. So ghee, choose ghee. There she is. All right. So ghee is a clarified butter. So what happens is basically you are going to be burning off the lactose and milk solids within the butter to clarify it and make it into a ghee, basically, which is clarified butter. So there's only 2 steps to it. One is to put your butter in. You could really, if you wanted to, make your butter from scratch, and then because of course with a Thermomix you can make your butter from scratch as well, from cream. But today what I'm going to do is I'm going to start cooking, and it says 500 grams of unsalted butter, so that's what we've got here. So I'm just going to pop this into the bowl. So all I've done is chop that up like that. All right, 496. I'll put a bit more in, good measure. Now what I'm going to do is I normally do a double batch. So the reason I do a double batch is because it means that you can obviously get more out of it while your Thermomix is running. So it's saving energy, and it basically cooks the same amount. So we're going to go next. It says without measuring cup, so pop your lid on, take your measuring cup out, hit next, and it says it's going to do 60 minutes at 120 degrees on speed 1. Now, so because my pieces are a little bit big, because I didn't do them into the little squares it was supposed to do, it struggled a little bit. So once this has started to reduce down, I can now turn it down to 1, and it will continue to heat. So what I normally do is give it about 10 minutes. Once it's got to about 10 minutes, the butter that's already in there will have melted down, and then I can add in the second lot of 500 grams. That way then I can do a kilo at once. The other added bonus to this is you can actually sterilise your jars on top as well. So halfway through the second part of this recipe, so this is the first part. The second part, it will stop after an hour. It will ask you to give it a stir, so you're just moving the milk solids in the bottom, and then you set it going again for another hour. So when I set it going again for the second hour, I will then put my jars upside down, all nice and clean, on the Varoma, and they will on the Varoma. Or if I'm just doing one big jar, then I would put it on the in the simmering basket just for ease. But yeah, I pop them upside down on the top, and they can sterilise at the same time, so it's a win-win really. It's two for the price of one, so to speak. So let me know what you're cooking at your place. I would love to know, and I will catch you next time I'm live. All right, take care. Bye bye for now.